Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to be working on multiple projects at once to get them refinished and ready for resale. Also, all of these items in this video were on the side of the road, so they were free. And this end table did need the legs fixed. I fixed them and the color is in gray. And this next piece was a dresser. It was originally white. I painted it gray and kept all the original hardware, and it looks very nice. And this next dresser, I didn't get the before, but it was a wood tone, darker stain color. And I also painted it in the same gray. I did keep the hardware original, I just painted over it so you can see, and it came out really nice. This next piece is a end table, and it is a white color. I sanded everything down, wiped it, and painted it a grayish white. And this is what it looks like. It just came back to life and it looks more chic. I just love the color. This next project is a kitchen island type deal, and I sanded everything down, and I am going to keep it the white color. I'm just going to repaint it, and here I am spray painting the legs, or like the wheels, gold. And I feel like the gold and white looks really nice and classy. It just makes everything pop. And this is the final look. I did end up putting like a crystal knob and also contact paper on the top, and it just made everything come together and look very nice. This is the next project. It is a stool, and I painted this with black. And this one I didn't get the before and after, but it was white and I painted it black, and it looks very nice. I like the legs, the old-fashioned style end tables. But that's it. Thanks, bye.